Right, I'm not sure how well this will come out. My camera's just moved. Still okay, I think. I've tried many things over the years stripping. I bought this thing, I don't know, 5 years ago. I was bored with it, got rid of one spring, added 2 other springs, but it's a failure. Don't spend $100+ US on one of these. They sort of work, but not great. Now, on the internet I found a guy, I'm not sure if it was South America or Asia, who had a piece of steel, much thicker than this, just a bit of roofing iron that I've been playing with, and I've cut a few different ones. That narrow one was a failure. That one is about 45, sort of works. This one was probably about 60, at best guess, I'm not sure. Maybe 30. Not sure about the angles. Anyway, I'll give it a demo, but I think you just need a bit of practice. Find a leaf. That's not a very good one. Get a leaf and break that off because it was already broken. And need a bit of practice with this, but I think once I get the hang of it, it'll be fine. this one's not doing so well. A few others I've done a lot better than that. Anyway, you get the idea. Just probably something that's cheap and easy and worth experimenting with. I'm going to play with this for a bit today. I've got some other things going on. Not sure why. This might be a bit wet, this one. Does pull it off okay, but like I say, I think you need a bit of practice. I think because it's so cheap, it's worthwhile fooling with. I'll play with these angles, and if it ever comes right, or if it's no good at all, I'll do another vid. But anyway, you get the idea. I just cut those with a pair of tin snips. If I find the link, I'll post it. That guy used something that was about 3 mil or 1/8 of an inch thick, and he was just whipping them off. But I couldn't see the angle because it was at a spot. Anyway, that'll do for now.